The routings menu is used to specify instructions for production and register time spent on an operation. The routings menu will be used for manufacturing order. Go to Routings menu under Manufacturing module from the left sidebar. To add a new routing to your organization, click on the Add Routing button on the top. Enter the routing name and notes. When you're done, select Save. The system redirects to the Routing Details page. We will set up the operation. Each operation becomes a work order. Select Add Operation. In the Add Operation pop-up, enter the operation name. Select the work center name. Select duration, minutes. Choose computer based on real-time or set duration manually. Currently, this field data is for storage only. Enter the default duration, minutes. Select the Start Next operation. Currently, this field data is for storage only. Enter the order. It is the order of this operation in the routing. Enter the description and upload the attachment file. This file will be displayed at the Work Instruction tab in the Work Order Details. We can add multiple attachments for this operation. When you're done, select Save. Similarly, we create other operations for this routing. We have 4 operations as shown in the video. Click Close to return to the Routings Management screen. In the next video, I will show you how to create a bill of material.